So right now I'm chopping up some sweet potato we had roasted in the oven about 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of the sweet potato. And this is gonna go inside our stuffed kielbasa. We have some quinoa and some other ingredients that are gonna go in there as well. So right now I'm gonna add some chopped shallot into my stuffing that's gonna go into our stuffed kielbasa. I have some roasted sweet potato in there, some golden raisins, some thinly sliced celery. Right now, again, the shallot, some pomegranate seeds. It's gonna be rich and sweet and earthy, and the main ingredient is gonna be the quinoa, and that's gonna go into the oven and roast for about 15 to 20 minutes. So right now I'm adding some pre-cooked quinoa. This is gonna be for my stuffing for the stuffed kielbasa squash. So right now I'm folding in all those ingredients we had talked about earlier, the sweet potato, celery, shallot, pomegranate seeds, sunflower seeds, and some pre-cooked quinoa. I'll add a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper, and that's gonna go inside our stuffed kielbasa squash. I've added some chopped cilantro. Right now I'm gonna add some salt into there. Also some pepper. We always want to add some chopped cilantro, some sea salt. Right now I'm adding some black pepper to our stuffing for the kielbasa stuffed squash. And now some olive oil just to moisten it up a little bit. I don't want a dry filling. So important to season every single layer of this dish. So right now I added those seasonings and fresh herbs. I'm just folding that into our stuffing. Once this is all mixed together, we're gonna go ahead and put it inside the squash, which then is gonna go into the oven to get roasted. Okay, so I'm drizzling with some olive oil on the squash. Next I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. Again, seasoning every single layer. I'm gonna rub it just so it gets all over. And then after that, I'm taking the filling we had made earlier. I'm gonna place that inside. And this is a main entree, so you wanna make sure you stuff a lot. Quinoa is the main protein in here, so we wanna make sure we're getting enough nutrients for it to be an actual entree or meal. And then after that, I'm gonna fold it up. Close it. This is going to help steam the squash so it cooks all the way through. And then we'll put it in the oven between 375 to 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Adding some crema on here. I'm also going to add some pomegranate molasses.
I've got it after.
Okay, not perfect.
Yeah, so it's gotta be better to do that.
Almost perfect. A protein.